What is the important point I would like to request you? Spirituality, religion, devotion in God does not mean sitting in a place, closing eyes and practicing some certain meditation technique for self-realization and forgetting others. Okay, all right, we have to meditate, we have to practice Kriya Yoga, we need a place. This is the place where you are. Therefore, if you are not able to looking after this place, not maintaining it, not cleaning it, then your practice will be incomplete. Therefore, Kriya Yoga meditation includes looking after this meditation hall. This meditation hall in the premises of Kriya Yoga ashram. Then maintaining all facility of Kriya Yoga ashram for everybody, that is the important. And at the same time, because this Kriya Yoga ashram is in Allahabad, Allahabad is in Uttar Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh is in India, India is on the earth, then you have to think of the all nations of the world, all people of the world. Then you will be able to practice correctly, otherwise correct practice will not come. Example is great master Samik Tesagiri. He would have decided that he will practice in his ashram. Unnecessarily he will not do so much work for the whole world because they are not following him. Therefore this spiritual text is written, holy science, very, very important. This holy science is the compact scripture for all time. Whatever scripture is available, for example Bible, you will not find real translation in that. There is no proof that in Bible something is not added, something is not subtracted. In the Bible incarnation chapter was there, it is removed by somebody. In the same way Vedas, in India Vedas, Valmiki, Ramayana, Tulsidas Ji Ramcharitmanas, many other Upanishad and Puran, all these things, what is written, that is all written in order to create confusion. Suppose that you are not accepting the real philosophy, then I will write something more. I will give the name, who has written it? Adi Shankaracharya. Who has written it? The great master. Who has written it? Valmiki. This is all incorrect. There is no proof of the correct scripture present on this earth in any nation. Therefore, in order to give relief and peace to the all humanity, this holy science is created. This is the scripture of all scriptures, so compact, so small. There is no fear how to finish it. Try to collect Vedas, Bible, Quran, Puran, Upanishad, all you will find around 60-70 kg. Then you need big suitcase, you need trolley, you need something, carrier, to take it everywhere where you go. That is called the greatest mistake. These various books are created in order to increase confusion. If I am interpreting some textbook, I am going to put my idea in that. That idea will be incorrect. Until I feel I have no complaint with anyone in the world, I believe that it is God who has become all. If I pay highest respect and honor to all persons, to the highest way, then I am able to understand the scripture, otherwise not. You see what great things is done by Samik Tesagiri. At the request in Allahabad of the great preceptor Mahatar Babaji, near the end of the 194th year of the present ascending Dwapar Yuga, this exposition has been published for the benefit of the world. This book is written with purpose. He should have said that no need of writing this. Gita is there, Bible is there, Quran is there. No, but all are not complete. Something is removed, something is added. Therefore, we are very fortunate we have scripture. Therefore, what I request all of you, let us decide to make India free of all problems. If you are not deciding it, you cannot practice spirituality. Why I call India? Because in India there are maximum illusions, different religions are packed each other, so many Spiritual texts are available, creating confusion among all. In overseas, in America, Canada, Europe, only Bible is there, very easy to understand. Here so many things are there. Therefore, these complications in India is because of the misinterpretation of scriptures. It is our duty to make India peaceful, not by criticizing others, by loving others, not by hating others, try to accepting others. This we can do it. Now time has come, we have to do it. We should never feel laziness. I request any of you, do not have any fear that how you will maintain your living, how to complete academics. Do not have fear of anything. Highest academic course is to learn the science, how to make this nearest nation head to toes great, how to bring this nation peaceful, absence of all kind of hatred, attachment, aversion, all kind of problems, illness, sickness. We have to remove it from this. Moment you know how to make this nation great, which is our nearest of near existence, head to toes, then you will know the law, how to make any nation great. Therefore, we can join together, we can practice everywhere where we go, we can collect the public, we can talk to them. If you are moving from morning to evening up to the 9:30, many times we will practice 10 times there. In between, we have collected some person, we are going to meditate there, people are coming, they will keep on listening. What Mahatma Gandhi demonstrated, the path. You have to go each home. Never think that 10% will advertise, a big congregation will come, many 100,000, then give a speech. No, it will not work. It will like gathering of sheep. They will not understand. When you go each home personally, after that when they gather, they will understand it. Therefore, this is the moment I have to start, I am going to start. And you should not think of that, oh, you are not having academics, you don't have the job, you don't have money. You have to look after your family. Decide 100%. If you are working to make nation great, if you are working to bring unity in the society, if you are working to make head to toes your this nearest nation free of all problems, you will get automatically all things what you need. This is very important. Therefore, I request, if you want to join, I think all foreigners will join. There is no English, I think all will go, who are from America, Canada, Europe, everywhere, they will go with me. Regarding Indians, anybody want to join it, you will put your name and phone numbers and place it here. It is very nice, you give Swami Shantanandi, Swami Bhavanand, or Swami Chakrapani Maharaj Ji, you give anyone. This is the important things. Now I am going to give you 5 minutes practice. Join with me. हम आपको 5 मिनट अभ्यास कराने चल रहे हैं, ज्वाइन करिए हमें.